Hello everyone. Welcome to the pronunciation video series for Tiếng Anh 10 Global Success of Vietnam Education Publishing House. In this video, we are going to focus on intonation. Intonation means the way our voice goes up, huh, or down, huh. Intonation is an important part of English. It makes us sound more natural and tells us much more about the speaker's attitudes and feelings. For example, I can say the following sentence many different ways. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Do I sound the same? Do you think these ways of saying the sentence give you the same message? The example shows that intonation, along with tones and facial expressions, bring extra meaning to our sentences. So the question is, are there any specific rules of intonation in spoken sentences? In today's lesson, we will discover two basic intonation patterns and how they are used in simple sentences and questions. First, look at the following sentences. I will say each sentence once. Listen to them carefully. Notice how my voice changes. We don't want to leave litter behind. I'll buy a lot of snacks to share. I'll also try to bring snacks with less packaging. When I say each sentence, does my voice go up or down? What is the common intonation pattern? These sentences are statements which end in a full stop. My voice goes down at the end of each of them. In fact, it falls at the final keyword. This is also the first rule. Statements often have a falling tone at the end. Now, repeat the statements after me. We don't want to leave litter behind. I'll buy a lot of snacks to share. I'll also try to bring snacks with less packaging. Let's move on to intonation for questions. Now, look at the following questions starting with WH words. Listen carefully and pay close attention to how my voice changes. What's an eco-friendly field trip? Why are you taking so little food? Where is Phong Nha Cave? What is the common intonation pattern of these questions? When I say them, does my voice rise or fall? For these questions, my voice falls, and it falls on the final content words. This is the second rule. We use falling intonation at the end of WH questions. It is also interesting to note that WH words are also content words, so they are pronounced more strongly. Now, let's say these questions one more time. Repeat after me. What's an eco-friendly field trip? Why are you taking so little food? Where is Phong Nha Cave? Excellent. What about yes/no questions? Well, here is the third and final rule. Yes/no questions often have a rising tone at the end. To understand this better, let's practice saying the following questions. For these questions, your voice rises, and it rises on the very final content words. Now, are you ready? Repeat the following questions after me. Can we bring snacks? Have you packed for the trip tomorrow? Brilliant. To sum up today's lesson, we have 3 rules to remember. First, our voice often falls at the end of statements. Second, WH questions often have a falling tone at the end. And finally, our voice goes up at the end of yes-no questions. And this is the end of our lesson and the end of the pronunciation video series for Tiếng Anh 10 Global Success. A lot more intonation patterns are waiting for you in the upcoming video series of Tiếng Anh 11 Global Success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice every day. Bye bye!